Welcome to our quick guide on tagging someone in your Facebook profile photo. If you've ever wanted to give a shout out to a friend or just share a moment with a wider circle, tagging right from your profile picture is simpler than you think. Let's walk through the updated steps so you can do it in just a few taps. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account that owns the profile photo you want to edit. From there, head to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom bar or top of your feed. Depending on your device, you'll land on your personal profile page where your current profile photo is displayed. Next, tap your profile photo and choose See Profile Picture. This opens a larger view of the image, giving you more options to interact with it. On this screen, look to the top right corner and tap the three dots to reveal more actions. This is where Facebook groups similar tools together for easy access. From the menu that appears, select Tap Photo. This option shifts focus to the photo itself and prepares it for changes or additions, including tagging. Now you'll see choices related to how you want to interact with the image. Choose friends to start tagging. You'll be presented with a list of your friends. Scroll or search to find the person you want to tag and tap their name. Facebook will place a tagging label or allow you to tag directly on the photo. If you want multiple people tagged, repeat the process for each friend you'd like to include. When you're satisfied, confirm your selections. As a final check, review the photo to ensure the tags appear where you want them and that the right people are tagged. If you change your mind, you can remove a tag by tapping the tag label and selecting Remove or Undo. When you're happy with the results, exit the editing mode and return to your profile. Your profile photo now reflects your updated tagging, and friends tagged will receive a notification. That's all there is to it. Tagging someone in your profile picture can boost engagement and add a personal touch to your profile.